This is the VR simulator for painting. So right now you can see how it's kind of a different color. It's green. That's actually not color. That's showing you what it's like in painting, how it's sitting and how it's going. So when it's red, it's too dark, hitting too much. When it's green, it's good, and when it's blue, it's too light. It's teaching us really well how to paint, especially because we haven't even started painting yet. We're still working on dents. So it's really fun, really exciting to do.
It was definitely different. I've never had like a virtual reality like headset on before, so it's definitely different, but it's a really good learning experience. I love cars. We just went to Copart. That's my dream right there. I love cars. Want to fix them.